In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Chrome back to English. If your Chrome browser has suddenly switched to another language, or maybe you accidentally changed it yourself, it can feel confusing to navigate menus you can't read. Don't worry, even if you don't understand the current language, I'll walk you through the exact icons, positions, and visual cues you can follow to safely bring everything back to English. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Look toward the top right corner of the window, and you'll see the 3 vertical dots that represent the main menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will open. Even though the text might be in another language, the layout is the same everywhere. In that menu, you're looking for the Settings option. It's usually near the bottom of the menu, just above items like Help or Exit. If you're not sure which one it is, hover over each option and look for the small gear icon, or simply click the one that's third from the bottom in most versions. This will open the Settings page in a new tab. On the Settings page, you'll see a list of categories on the left-hand side. You need to find the section that controls languages. In English, it's called Languages, but even in another language, the icon is often a small globe or similar symbol. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down the left panel until you find that globe icon, then click it. Once you're in the language settings, you'll see a list of languages that Chrome can use. Look through the list for English. You might see several variations, such as English, United States, or English, United Kingdom. Choose the version of English you prefer. If English is not in the list, look for an option that adds a new language, usually a button on the right side of the language section. Click it, search for English, and add it to the list. After you've added English, click the 3 dots or options button next to English in that list. From the small menu that appears, select the option that sets English as the display language for Chrome. In English, this option usually says something like, "Display Google Chrome in this language." When you've done that, Chrome may ask you to relaunch or restart the browser. Click the relaunch button, and Chrome will close and reopen. When it comes back, all of the menus and settings should now be displayed in English, making it much easier to use and adjust any other preferences you might need.